Hey, this is Douglas Chan again. Welcome to Qi Men Dun Jia. Today, I would like to do some prediction related to circuit breaker in Singapore. So, today's date is 28th of October 2020, 12 o'clock. So, what happened is that I would like to do some prediction on what will happen in the year of 2021. And the question I'm going to ask is, will the circuit breaker be open up in the coming future? So, and what will happen in the year of 2021? So this is the 奇门遁甲 chart that usually if you want to do any prediction, this you see a lot of small boxes, with some Chinese characters. So these are all the signs of what may happen in the near future. So let's do a specific analysis on what will happen in the near future. So my question in this chart today is, will the circuit breaker be open in terms of would the economy be open? So in this aspect itself, I am looking at this hour stamp, which is over here. You can see the circle over here. So this is going to tell me the outcome. All right. Over here, the box number 4. If you see this, our stem is called Geng, G-E-N-G. So we take reference with Geng in this box 4, which is over here. We always look at the top one, we don't look at the below. So to take reference. So in the box 4, this is going to be an answer. So this answer is telling me that there's a lot of worries in the public, and there's a lot of obstacles that need to be overcome. So generally speaking, the scenario is going to be very tough. But due to economic situation in Singapore, there is a need to open up. So let me look further into the chart and see what's going to happen. So the chart itself is actually a calendar. So over here, chart at this box 1 is actually December. Here is January and February. Here is March. Here is April and May. Here is June. So on and so forth. So my question is whether the circuit breaker will be opened up. And if I were to look at the next coming year, because today is October, so we look at the next coming year, which is this November, January and February. So January and February, we are seeing some life. So in this aspect itself, I would suspect that January and February, there will be more opening up in terms of the economy. However, if I look further in this March itself, we have to see this injury, which is to say that there's a possibility that because of this opening up of the economy during the COVID period, there will be more people got sick, got ill because of this opening up of the economy. So as we move on to this April over here, and we move on to May and June, there seems to be more obstacle coming in, which is to say that the opening up of the economy, opening up of the circuit breaker are likely to happen, but because of that, the spike will, in terms of number of people that get sick, will be even more. And when we go to this number 7 and number 8, that means July and August, we see this death, which is to say that in this aspect itself, there will be high chances of even more problems. Even potentially more people will be dead. people will pass away because of some of this COVID virus thing. So question is, will the economy be open in this circuit breaker for Singapore? And the answer to this question is there will be a lot of obstacles, so it will not be immediate. And I will presume that around January to February of next year, 2021, we should be able to see some lights over here. But of course, having said that, the number of people that are going to be infected with the virus will increase during the March itself, and it will continue to hover and hover until July. And it doesn't seem to have any uh, good feeling about it, because if I go further, that means over here in this particular month, 2021 itself is going to be November. There is an emptiness over here. It seems that there's an opportunity in this open. We call it the Qi Men, but it's actually quite it's open, but it's emptiness. So when there's emptiness, we have to look at the other side. So which is more worries and more obstacles coming in. So in a nutshell itself, yes, the economy likely to be open, but the scenario, it doesn't look very good in this aspect. Right. I hope my this prediction is not correct, but it doesn't seem to be very good in the year of 2021 itself. All right, so here's my prediction of the year of 2021 in Singapore COVID-19. Thank you so much.